Namaskaram, greetings from Veena Ganam 2025. We are here with a lot of excitement after almost a year of preparation, and we are most grateful to the Cleveland Aradhana for giving us an opportunity to showcase the National Instrument of India, Anna Kaitakavu. The goddess herself, thoughts, learning and knowledge. Veena Ganam is Veena Ganam. All the Vainikas will also be singing Mridangam, and for the first time this year, Ghatam as well. Today Veena Ganam is possible because of many gurus who have very kindly sent their students and Sishyas to be part of this Veena Yajna, Veena Ganam Yajna, 4th year in a row. And we also are very grateful to the audio team because setting up microphones and audio systems for a performance like this is not easy. It's very, very difficult. And we thank you for your patience. And while we have the time to talk about this, I may not have it later, I would like to thank Vidwan, Kalama Manager, Muruga Gopati, Kala Sakana, Kala Seva Mani, Shilira Natarajan, many other Indian gurus whose names I will read later, for the amazing training they have been giving over many months to make this concert possible. We have been very ambitious. I remember my guru, Kalpadam Swaminathan Amma, and all my gurus who have given us the love for music, telling us that when there is an opportunity to play or sing, we should push ourselves and try to do something slightly outside comfort zones. And that is what Veena Ganam is about. All of us on stage here are pushing, some of us more than the comfort zone, but each one of us definitely outside the comfort zone. Our songs today, we hope to cover all the South Indian states with composers, languages if possible. And our Varnam till the Mangalam, we hope, will be something that you will remember in a very good and positive way. And please let us know when we can begin. Thank you, Namaskaram, and thank you again. And we would like to thank Shri Karthik, Shri Shankar, Shri Manimaran, and the entire team. Arvind kuda nikkararipo. Thank you so much. Check panlama. Surya Nambisan, where you are? Arvind. Oh, of course, Arvind. Yeah, thank you. Rendu Arvind irka. Nanga arambikalama in 2 minutes. Maybe I should share the names of the states that we are coming from today. We come from Ohio. We come from North Carolina, Minnesota, Virginia, California, Arkansas, New York, New Jersey, Texas, Florida, Georgia, Oregon, Iowa, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts. 16 states. This is the highest Veena Ganam has ever had participation. We believe that Veena Ganam is not just a concert. We borrowed this tagline from
Ragamalika TV. We really loved it. It is a community in action. Maybe these artists will all become concert artists or already concert artists, but our whole idea is all of us can play the veena, all of us can attempt to sing, all of us can attempt to play mridangam and ghattam. So any of you are interested, you're welcome to join this beautiful journey. How many of you are coming for Veena Ganam 5, 5th year? Come on, you need to be doing better than this. Thank you. Thank you. And at this time, I would also like to thank the following gurus. My own guru, Sangeeta Kala Acharya, the late Srimati Kalpakam Swaminathan, because one of my guru bandhus is in the team today. Late Srimati M. Vasanta, Dr. R.S. Jailakshmi, Dr. B. Balu, Srimati Varalakshmi Vijaya Raghavan, Sri Mudikonda and Ramesh, Srimati Jayashri Aravind, Srimati Villanur G. Lalita, Srimati Prabhavati Vijay Raghavan, Srimati Sandhya Ramaswamy Kumari Shruti Rajashekar, and Srimati Vidya Ramachandra Ramani. Everybody here have sent their students to be part of Veena Ganam for Veena and vocal. On the Mridangam percussion, late Shri Subhash Chandran Mama's disciple is here. Tanjavur Shri K. Murugabhupati, Shri Patri Satish Kumar Ji, Shri Ganesh Kumar, Dr. P. K. Swaminathan, Shri Shriram Natarajan Iyer, Shri V. Srinivasan, Shri Shankaran Bhattadripad, Shri Satguru Gurucharan, and yours truly. So we have so many gurus who have been so generous to have their students here.
Iti
That was a composition of the celebrated contemporary composer of the 20th century, Shri Mysore Vasudevachar, set in the ragam Katana Kutuhalam. After all, it is spring, and we celebrate that not only with the colors on stage, but also with the weather warming up and this particular ragam set to Adi Talam. Our next composition is also from the land of Karnataka. This time we go to royalty. In the ragam Athana, Maharaja Shri Jaya Chamarajendra Vodayar's composition, Shri Mahaganapatim, in Adi Thalam. As you will all know, this is one of our attempts to push outside the comfort zone, because the charanams, all three of them in this particular composition, are quite tricky even as a soloist. So as an ensemble, we are going to attempt this Shri Mahaganapatim Athana.
Shri Mahaganapatim Jai, Shri Mahaganapatim Jai, Shri Mahaganapatim Jai, Shri Mahaganapatim Jai, Shri
composition for this year is particularly special because it's the 250th year of celebration of Shri Mainika Gayaka Shri Muthuswami Dikshitar. And it's a privilege to be coming in that lineage, Guru Sishya lineage, with my Guru having learnt just one step removed from Shri Ambi Dikshitar. We present to you in the Ragam Dharmavati that Shri Dikshitar called Dhamavati as per the Asampurna Mela Paddhati. The composition Parandamavati in Rupakatama.
Sarigama Parandamavati.
Sarigama Padanisa, Sanidapa Magarisa, Sarigama Parandamavati. Sa, Sanidapa Mapadanirisa, ri gari sa ni da pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma gari ga ga sa ni da pa ma ri ga ma ma sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa ran da ma pa ti
sari ri ga sari ri sari ri sa sa ni ni da pa ma ni da pa ma ri ga ma pa ran da ma pa ti
ma pa da pa ma pa da pa ma da pa ma ri ga sa ri ga ma pa ma ga ri sa ni da ni sa ri ga ma pa da pa ma pa da pa ma pa ni da pa ma da pa ma ga sa ma pa ma da pa ni da ni sa pa ni sa ri ga ni sa ri ga ni sa ri sa ri sa ni sa ni sa ri sa ni sa ni da ni sa ni sa ni da ni da pa da ga ni sa ni da ga ni sa ni da ni sa ni da pa ga ni sa ni da ni sa ni da pa ma pa ma ga ni sa ni ga ni ga ma ga ma pa sa ni ga ni ga ma ni ma pa sa ni ga ni ga ma ga ma pa sa ni ga ma pa sa ni ga ma pa ni ga ma pa da sa ni ga ma pa ni ga ma pa da ga ma pa da ni ga ni ga ni sa ri sa ni sa ni sa ri sa ni sa ni da ni sa ni sa ni da ni da pa da ga ni sa ni da ga ni sa ni da ni sa ni da pa ga ni sa ni da ni sa ni da pa da ma ga ma pa da ma ma ga ni ga ti ga ga ni pa da ni sa ru ga ni pa da ma ma ga ga ti
Tyagaraja Swami's immortal composition in the Ragam Yadukula Kamboji, set to Khanda Chapu in this version, Shri Rama Jai Rama.
Shri Rama Jaya Rama Shikara Rama Shri Rama Jaya Rama Shikara Rama
Go
రామ రారాయణి దశరథుడు తపగేమి చేసెను రాజాదయని
I'm sure you're waiting for the third of the Trinity because we have covered two already. And we turn to Sri Shama Sastri for the main ragam and composition of the day. Again, we are ambitious in attempting Saveri as an ensemble. And in Tisra Nadai, Adi Talam, we present Shankari Shankuru Chandramukhi. We will have a Alapana on Saveri and the Thanam attempted by all the Vainikas on stage, and the composition, a little Neraval Swaram, and the Mridangam will have a short section. We are going to attempt to do this as tightly as possible. Shankari Shankuru.
Shri
श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी श्यामणे सदोदरी 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 सामगान बोले वाले सदा दिवंजनशील सामगान बोले वाले सदा दिवंजनशील सामगान बोले वाले सदा दिवंजनशील श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी श्यामणे सदोदरी श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी श्यामणे सदोदरी श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी श्यामणे सदोदरी श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी सरि म पद श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी
पद म पद रि म पद सरि म पद श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी
दामद सरि स दद सरि गरि स द सरि द स पद स म पद स रि म पद स सरि म पद स सा नि द प म गरि स रि म पद श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी करि स नि द रि स नि द प रि स नि द प स म पद श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी
This has been an absolute labor of love for the past several months. You can quite imagine what a composition of this stature. For so many people who are coming to Veena after many years, so many people who have just started Veena very recently, and then we decide to do Shankari Shankuru. So it is, we are very grateful for this opportunity and all your support. This next piece we are also going to play is another first time for us. We have never attempted a padam as an ensemble. And we are looking to Shri Subbarama Iyer's Ini Enna Pechirikkude Pom Pom in the Ragam Sahana, where there is a beautiful dialogue between the composer and Shri Muruga, which is finally resolved in some way by the composer saying, if you did not come to keep up your word with me, at least come for the sake of the Tamil that I am singing in. Ini enna pechirukkudu pom pom Sahana Ruth Kathalam.
Ini enna pechirukkudu pom pom. Ini enna pechirukkudu pom pom. Ini enna pechirukkudu pom pom. Ellorum nagai paachadu 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 ini enna pechirukkudu pom pom. தனிய வந்திங்கே தனிய வந்திங்கே வாராதிருந்ததோர் தனிய வந்திங்கே வாராதிருந்ததோர் நீய வந்திங்கே வாராதிருந்ததோர் நீய வந்திங்கே வாராதிருந்ததோர் சாப்பிடம் போதாலும் உடைய வேதனை நீய வந்திங்கே வாராதிருந்ததோர் சாப்பிடம் போதாலும் உடைய வேதனை நீய பேச்சு
When we were discussing this padam, and the children were, you can see, our youngest is 7 years old. And she can sing all the songs, at least to her. And she can stand for 2 hours, 3 hours, as long as practice takes. And of course, our senior most experienced artists are also on stage. When the younger children asked me about how to relate to this song, I said, it's about your friend who asked you to come to the coffee shop or for a popcorn date or something and didn't show up. You really want that person to come, so you're not tremendously angry with them, but you're just having a little bit of a, oh, go, you didn't come, no? And they really loved that analogy. And then finally, when we said Muruga did come, at least pleading for the sake of the language so that they sing this properly in Tamil, it was a very appealing composition. So I think we have to learn a lot more padams to present at the Cleveland Aradhana. Each year we try a few different things. We have done Swarajatis, Daruvarnams, different things each year. And now we're singing something we couldn't do last year because we were short of time. The royalty from Kerala comes to us. Maharaja Swadhitranath's Dhanashri Tillana Aditalam.
पायल कहूँ
Thank you. We are at almost the end of our program. The Anjaneya Shlokam and Ramachandraya Janaka. We are concluding. In this Tilana that we just played, it's somewhat of mostly the version of my guru, late Srimati Kalpakam Swaminathan. When that Alari Kalari comes, she used to say, Kalari Kotti Vanda, Jagradya Vashikidam. Alari Kalari la Kalari Kotta Kodadu, because it's a pretty tricky place if you're playing Gamakams. When you're playing that on Gamakams and particularly speed. And I'm very happy that all of them did their very best on this Tilana. Anjaneyam Sada. Thank you. We have close to 27-30 Veenas on stage, each of them with 7 strings. So keeping them in tune is quite a job. So far we've been lucky. Please send your good wishes this side of the stage. Stage lights and other things do things to the Veena. I'm sure you all know that. That's probably why we are grateful that we have this opportunity, thanks to Sundaram sir and Mama, for giving us this chance many years ago to celebrate the Veena. Thank you, Mama. At this time, Mama, may I invite you also, I know you don't, but we would like to make a small contribution on behalf of all of us on stage to our humble contribution to the Aradhana. So we would like to hand it over to you or Mama, whoever would like to come and take it. Mama vanda rombave sandhoshama irukum, but whatever your principles are, I don't know, so paathukongo. Thank you.
Anjaneyam sada bhavayami आञ्जनेयं सदा भावयामि अप्रमेयं मुदा चिन्तयामि अञ्जनानन्दनं वानरेशं वरं पञ्चवक्त्रं सुरेशादिमुख्यं गुरुमुखाहिं शान्तं सदा सेविता श्रीरामपादपङ्कजं सञ्जीवी पर्वताकरमुखाभ्यं सदा रामाचन्द्रादूतं भजे सदा रामाचन्द्रादूतं भजे सदा रामाचन्द्रादूतं भजे आञ्जनेयं सदा भावयामि आञ्जनेयं सदा भावयामि आञ्जनेयं सदा भावयामि
ಮಂಗಳಂ ಪಾಡಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ.
रामचन्द्राय जगदाचलामनोहराय वामनाथेश्वराय महितमङ्गलम् रामचन्द्राय जगदाचलामनोहराय वामनाथेश्वराय महितमङ्गलम् गोसरेशाय वरदाय सदा समोषणाय वासवाय सदाय मङ्गलम् गोसरेशाय वरदाय सदा समोषणाय वासवाय मङ्गलरूपाय वेदान्तवेद्याय भूतचित्तकारिकाय शुभमङ्गलम् मङ्गलरूपाय वेदान्तवेद्याय भूतचित्तकारिकाय शुभमङ्गलम् वामनासाय मृदुहृदय कमलवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् वामनासाय मृदुहृदय कमलवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् सर्वमङ्गलम् सर्वमङ्गलम्
On behalf of the Cleveland Theatre Festival, we're really honored to present this group the fourth year again and again, and they set the standard very high that every year they just raise the bar. Would you think that this year they raised it even higher? Again, I don't have to speak much about the dedication. As you can see, each and every one of these artists here, I spoke to several of them and they were telling how they prepared for the entire year. You know, forsaking their work, their daily life just to make this program what it is. So I would like all of you to give every single artist here a round of applause. And as Nirmalaka said, the veena is an ancient instrument that she and her team are continuously bringing to the forefront and not letting that art of this string instrument die. So we are grateful, and the Theatre Festival, the Cleveland Theatre Festival, is always honored to have all of these kind of instruments, the mridangam, the ghatam, and obviously Carnatic vocal music presented here in this group setting, and we hope to see them year after year. Thank you very much.